So in this video we're going to show you how to make a Pulsar Paracord Bracelet. So I have two cords, both about 5 feet long. Joined them in the middle, and at the bottom I've done a simple cow's hitch, and at the top I've gone down through the buckle like that. And what we're going to do, get that grey cord, put it over the top, green cord goes underneath, up through the middle like that, then it wraps underneath that middle grey, and then it pokes out that left hand side like that. Okay, now the first one is always the hardest to tighten, I think. So basically I'm holding the buckle like that, I'm just kind of squidging it up. When I get to the top, what I'm going to do is pull that middle cord there, pull that grey cord up to the buckle, and then put it tight like that. So you got that going on. And now we do a normal cobra weave. So way over the top, green all the way underneath, out that right hand side, put it together, and then we do the first step all over again. So the grey cord goes over the top, green cord over the top, like you're going to do a cobra weave, up through the middle, underneath that middle grey, and out through that left hand side like that. Pull it together, and then what I like to do is grab that middle green cord, pull on it tight, pull the grey cord up like that, and then pull on the green cord like that. Pull that grey cord up, grab that middle cord, pull that tight, pull the grey cord tight, and then pull that green cord like that. Just keep going. Just so I'd say, it does get very fiddly at the bottom. You might need needle nose pliers or something to help you out. Right, so now I'm just going to go and snip and singe. There you go. That is a Pulsar Paracord Bracelet. It came out quite well for a first try. Don't forget to subscribe, because in the next video I'm going to show you how to make one of these.